Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to create Trello cards using Siri on iPhone 12. So let's start. First, we need to open the shortcuts here. Now we're going to create our action. We need to search for Trello here and Trello add card. Okay, so you also be able to change the word in lazy one. I don't have this able, so I just being continue to show you what you need to do next. You need to rename your comment. For example, add task. And task. Done. So, when you talk to Siri and say to her, "Hey Siri, add task," she will ask for the task name. Speak your task and Trello will create the card automatically. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.